Some people just need to accept the fact that they are an addict and they will always be an addict, that they're an alcoholic. They're a straight up failure and they need to figure out how to deal with that. How they feel about their addiction doesn't matter. They literally don't offer enough to this world to use their emotions as a way to escape their accountability. They will always be an alcoholic regardless. God damn, bro. That's how you feel? Most people that are struggling with alcohol and addiction are afraid of people like you. More importantly, they're afraid of what the doctors are going to say, what their friends and family are going to think about them. And you know why, bro? It's because they know deep down that they are not an addict. They are not an alcoholic. And they know that they've been acting like one. But unfortunately, that specific behavior, like drinking a ton of alcohol, is an actual safety feature that they've embedded into their existence. It's a coping mechanism. It's what they've used to keep themselves safe their entire life. And the messed up part is, even if they do manage to break their addiction, even if they do manage to remove all of that toxic behavior, you are still going to chalk them up to an addict or an alcoholic. And they know this, bro. Do you know how demoralizing that is? And it's because of people like you that so many people, 76 million to be exact, aren't seeking the recovery that they deserve because it doesn't matter. You are always going to see them as an alcoholic. Okay, so what about the people that use drugs and alcohol recreationally and they end up destroying their entire life? I'm telling you, they deserve that stigma. They need to know how messed up they actually are. As much as I understand that perspective, bro, not every single person that's struggling with addiction or alcohol fits that profile. Most people that struggle with addictive behavior are victims of traumatic experiences or mental health issues, dude. There's infinite reasons why practicing addictive behavior is the right decision given those specific circumstances. It doesn't mean it's the best decision. And for the people that are using drugs and alcohol recreationally and they do end up destroying their existence, you seriously think stigmatizing them as a whole and ostracizing them for doing the best that they possibly can is an effective solution to curb the behavior? Bro, they are a human being, a person, an entity, just like you. They deserve the same amount of happiness and peace that you do. And beneath all of that pain, that anguish, that trauma, and that anxiety is someone who is actively seeking a tool, a resource, or an opportunity to dramatically transform their lives so they don't have to depend on a poison anymore. And to be perfectly honest, bro, it's a mentality like yours that push people further into their addictions. So before you just start labeling people, dude, and making sure that they believe wholeheartedly what you think about them, it's important to consider the impact that your words have on someone who's actively struggling forward. If you're not actively contributing to the solution, bro, then you are the problem.